Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'll show you the best Pictory coupon code you can use right now to save money. The code is AMIN, and I'll walk you through exactly how to apply it. Alright, let's get started. First, if you don't have a Pictory account yet, just click the first link in the description to sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Once you're inside, you'll be on the Pictory dashboard. To check the pricing plans, you can either click your profile picture and go to My Subscription, or just hit the Upgrade button at the top. Now let's apply the discount. Let's say you're going for the professional plan. Click Buy Now, and when you're on the payment page, look for the box that says Coupon Code. Now type in AMIN and hit Apply. And boom, the price drops from $468 per year to $374. That's almost $100 saved just for using this code. If everything looks good, click Proceed, and you're all set. Now, if you're wondering which plan to choose, here's a quick breakdown. Starter plan, good if you're just testing Pictory. Professional plan, the best deal. It includes all the extra features. Teams plan, perfect if you're working with a team. For most people, the professional plan is the best choice. That's it. The coupon code AMIN and all the links are in the description. Copy, paste, and save some money while the code is still active. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.